I did not know Central Valley had this many GTRs. Fucking 6'7". 6'7".
I just bit right on the highway. I just bit right on the highway. Track hogging sitting in the driveway. Pull up, do.
You might be wondering, Dial, you sound off. You don't sound as chipper. You know what's wrong? Well, I didn't go to bed till about 4 o'clock in the morning. The reason for that is because I was working a Kane Brown concert as a stagehand, and I can't show footage of that. It'd be really bad. If I did that, I'd probably get fired. They'd probably come after my home because of the malpractices there. We don't talk about that. One time I saw this like 65-year-old lady get crushed by about 9 lights that each weighed about 40 pounds. I haven't seen her in a little while. I hope she's all right though. This is pre-workout. We'll see how this goes. Also, shout out the spot, but we do got the homeless lady over there and some glass. So it should be a good day. We're gonna go to a car meet, and then we're gonna go to the track day. Not track day, sorry, a lot day. Green! It's 2000! Guys, bro, they love boba. Exhausted and a moolah, two JDM guys, lovers, whatever.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Not lovers. They are not lovers, but they like boba. That's all I can say. Oh, there it is. There's moolah. That is not moolah. That's another super though. Oh yeah, there's a fucking Grom. Gotta park next to the Grom. Oh my God, there's a couple of super. Oh wow. Alright. Oh, this is a bit bigger than I was expecting. Holy shit. Oh, that's Dr. Lowe. And that's Mini Cars. I don't know this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna be late to what, dude? I can't get pictures of everything. Let's Loto Alex right there. There's no meets are usually pretty small. Another two GTRs? Holy. 3 GTRs? 4? 5? What? I did not know Central Valley had this many GTRs. Fucking 6'7". 6'7". I've been getting those fucking edits all over my feed. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, sir. 16. Like it? Yeah, man, it's so much fun. It's the same. It's a Husqvarna. It's the same people make them. It's just different colors, really. That's about it on them. This is a 350. Oh, that's a 350. This is my first bike, so I didn't want to get a 450. I felt like it'd be too much. Oh, yeah, dude. I can't really like that. That's sick, dude. Yup. Excuse the music. I was busting down to some of my white girl playlists on the highway today. Man, there's a time and place, and today was a good day, and plus I got a little bit of caffeine in me, so it's even better. It's even fucking better. If you haven't tried it, down a Red Bull, put on some white girl music, and ball out. I'm telling you, it's the actual move. It is the move. Oh, there's a train. Army was super chill, great little meet, man. Little bro, that thing was kind of big. I'll be a good Samaritan. I'll wait for these guys to go up. Truck drivers are cool, nice chill guys, hopefully, except for the ones that do heroin and lot lizards. We don't talk about those guys. You. What? Is it going back down? What is happening? That one's not going up, but this guy's going up. Why is that one down? Is it a planning cable? Let me just get out of lap there. I don't know what is going on. Oh shit. Surrounds and a Hayabusa in one shot is not on my bingo card today.
So bad, you spend your cash on a bitch you never had, yeah. Mama told me, boy, don't last, so I ain't gon' slide if that shit ain't by the bag, yeah. My life changed so fast that I don't even recognize myself from last year. Said she never needed no man, but when she with you, said she needs somebody else. Now I ain't tryna add no pressure for ya. I know that they all doing extra. She got dark thoughts and me hit some, yeah. Baby, I be messed up for ya. Said she wanted me to explore her now. Baby, let me get a little toy, yeah. And she got dark thoughts and me hit some now. Baby, I be messed up for ya. I get dark thoughts too, but I keep them. Shorty got a friend group of hoes, so I treat them. All this shit, I keep it on the low, but I peep them. Nowadays, I'm stuck up in that mode, don't need a re-up. Bitch, I'm really him, tell a nigga keep up. Always got that cutter on me, let a nigga creep up, yeah. Oh, they need a squad, they need a team up, yeah. Bitch, I feel like Scotty got my beam up. No, my bitch so bad, you spend your cash on a bitch you never had, yeah. Mama told me, boy, don't last, so I ain't gon' slide if that shit ain't by the bag, yeah. My life changed so fast that I don't even recognize myself from last year. Said she never needed no man, but when she with you, said she needs somebody else. Now I ain't tryna add no pressure for ya. I know that they all doing extra. She got dark thoughts and me hit some, yeah. Baby, I be messed up for ya. Said she wanted me to explore her now. Baby, let me get a little toy, yeah. And she got dark thoughts and me.
Oh my god! Grab a dog! He almost died. Oh my god, he almost died! Play stupid games, Dylan, win stupid prizes. Great people, great vibes, only great vibes, man. Even the people who crashed are just having a blast. Yeah, man, that's it, bro. If you like the video and you want to see more, subscribe. If not, don't subscribe.